Looks like someone attempted to get in over there. Probably they did manage to get in. And yeah, they sealed it up with some wood plywood. See the basement from here. I know the basement had a decent bit of graffiti back when it was like abandoned. From even before when it was abandoned, it had a decent bit of graffiti because it was a art studio. You see where people are dumping all their stuff. You have to see that a lot around abandoned buildings, former abandoned properties. It's a bunch of garbage.